So if your AC keeps making a clicking sound, maybe it clicks once and stops, or it keeps clicking over and over. Yeah, that's definitely not something you want to ignore. Sometimes it's normal. Other times it's a sign of an electrical or mechanical issue. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly what causes AC clicking noises and how to fix them safely. First, notice when the clicking happens. If it clicks once when turning on or off, that's usually normal, and it's just the relay switching. But if it keeps clicking repeatedly and the AC doesn't start, that's a problem. Sometimes the thermostat is the issue. Weak batteries or faulty wiring can cause constant clicking. Replace the batteries and make sure it's set to cool mode with the temperature lower than the room. If the clicking stops, you're good. A dirty air filter can cause airflow problems. And when airflow is restricted, the system may try to start, fail, and click repeatedly. Remove the filter and replace it if it's dusty. This is a simple fix that solves a lot of issues. If the clicking is coming from outside, it could be the contactor trying to engage. Turn off power completely before inspecting. If you hear repeated clicking, but the fan or compressor won't start, it could be a failing capacitor or contactor. Sometimes the system just needs a reset. Turn the thermostat off, then shut off the breaker. Wait about 10 to 15 minutes. Turn everything back on, and test it again. If the clicking was a temporary glitch, this can fix it. If the AC keeps clicking but never fully starts, the issue may be electrical, like a bad capacitor, relay, or control board. Electrical components can hold charge even when power is off, so this isn't a DIY fix unless you're trained. So yeah, a clicking AC is sometimes normal, but repeated clicking usually means thermostat issues, airflow problems, or failing electrical parts. Start with the simple checks, and if it keeps happening, call a licensed HVAC technician. Fixing it early can prevent bigger damage later.